Square-eyed teens. Can you imagine life without electronic devices? Are you constantly glued to the TV? Do you spend hours texting your friends and chatting online? Are you always trying to move up another level in your favorite video game? Perhaps you are a screenager and you don't even know it. A screenager is a teenager or young person who spends a lot of time in front of a screen. Is this you? Well, if it is, then you belong to the majority. You are another quick-thinking, multitasking teenager, like millions of others. You demand to be constantly in touch with your friends. Most teenagers do almost everything electronically. They watch digital TV and listen to music on a digital MP3 player. They communicate electronically with friends through email, instant messaging, or by mobile phone. Teenagers even do most of their reading online now. When they need help with their homework, it is often the internet that they turn to. Gadgets are, in fact, teenagers' primary tools of communication, information, and entertainment. How do we know this? According to a recent survey, more than half of teenagers spend most of their time in their bedroom. This is because they can find all their favorite gadgets there. This has worried a lot of experts from all over the world. They believe that teenagers' addiction to technology is having an effect on their health and behavior. In some countries, teenagers are getting help. In Britain, for example, there is a clinic that helps screenagers control their use of technology. All the young people who go to this clinic have a passion for all things electronic. But this is having a negative effect on their lives. Other countries have taken similar steps. In China and Korea, there are boot camps where children receive psychological help and treatment. They are encouraged to do non-gadget related activities. It's possible that these types of camps will become common in other countries in the future. So what do these developments show us? It is very important to learn how to keep a balance between the real and the virtual world. Teenagers need to understand that gadgets and technology are useful and fun. But they should not let them rule their lives. How many hours do you spend online every day? Do you think it is important to spend time without electronic devices? Why?